Hey guys, it's your friendly neighborhood trainer here, Shannon. And last time I talked about a little intro into foam rolling and how it's beneficial to you and everything. So this time I'm just going to talk about foam rolling your chest. Foam rolling your chest is very beneficial for most humans because most people are very front heavy and they tend to push a lot more than they pull. So it's very important that we are really lengthening out those chest muscles to open up our bodies more, to open up our upper body, and strengthening the back muscles that we don't use too much, like the rhomboids and the back of our shoulders too. So the chest is one of those muscles, just like the front of your shoulders, that is a very overused muscle that needs lengthening. So I'm just going to walk you through what that exactly means. So I always like to use the smaller foam roller like this one because it's smaller, it's not as annoying and long like those other ones, so it won't get in people's way. And I'll start off right at my lower chest like this. I'll put my hand above the foam roller, palm facing down, start right at my lower chest and just move up. You might need to just roll over your chest completely a couple times to find a tender spot, loosen up the muscle a little bit. Then start off at the bottom, roll up until you find a tender spot. Really utilize the corner of that foam roller to put more pressure. Try rolling side to side, see if you can find a spot that's a little bit more tender. Once you find that spot, rest for 30 seconds. And really try and relax your hand because your chest will try and really tense up because it doesn't want this to happen to itself, but it's good for it, so don't worry. Really try and relax that hand. Wait 30 seconds until it relaxes. Once you feel like it's getting a little bit more comfortable, you'll move up a little bit more away from your heart towards your upper chest. And you might find another spot that's a little bit more tender, maybe towards your armpit a little bit more. A little bit up there. That's usually a spot that's pretty tender for me. So once you find that second spot, rest another 30 seconds. And once that muscle relaxes, then I like to just roll over it a couple more times, up and down my chest, just to release the muscle a little bit more. And then once you're done, then you can get up and you're all done. All right, thanks guys for watching. I hope this was helpful to a lot of people out there. I know it can be a little bit confusing on how to start doing your foam rolling if you're a beginner. So this is just a series that I'm going to go through every single muscle just to explain to you simply on how to do this. So I hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next video.